do you have a broken mirror and you want to repair it? So let's see everything that is needed. So basically, you have to pull this like very hard, and I'll show you all the process so that way you can see it better. I'm going to turn on the light. Alright, so basically here you have two screws that you can remove very easily. They are like Phillips screws. So all you have to do in order to be able to pull this out. Alright, let's see if we can use this tool that you see here. There you go. So as soon as you take it out, this is how it looks like. That is why it's so difficult to remove it. Okay, so you have this little ball here. That is how the mirror is being held. And here you have the screws that you see here. So that way you can take this apart. We're going to be working on this. So for that, impact driver. We have T15. All right. Now you can take it apart, as you can see here. Maybe we can keep these here, so that way we don't lose them. All right. Everything is in place, as you can see. So now we can put this on the side. And now we'll have one more screw that you see here. So this is nothing. So just in case if you're wondering, you can remove it. There is like a small hole, I think. So that way, just in case if there is water inside, it will evaporate, maybe. All right. So now we have this. This is the main screw that you see here. The one that you have to remove. There you go. Now, it's kind of tricky, but you have to put it the same way it was before. So basically this that you see here goes inside, so it goes like that again. Otherwise it will not fit. Alright, so now we have this. And now what we can do is just try to put it in place and use some glue. It will fit in one way. Alright, so once you put it inside, I'll show you. I have another one so that way you can see. So basically you have to put these two little columns that you see here goes in this area, and if for some reason you cannot put it back, you will have to use a drill to make the hole a little bit bigger, so that way it will fit. But once you make it fit, as you can see, it fits very well. And now I have done this the same thing here to make it work, and as you can see, it sits great. Once you have done that, what we can do, this is the drill that I was using to make a little bit bigger that hole, so that way it will sit fine. So after that, we can use some glue and we can put this back together, or if yours is not that damaged, maybe with this by itself it should be enough. We can try to put it back. The thing is, as you can see here, the plastic is broken, so we may have to use some glue to keep it in place. All right, so we are going to use this glue GB Well. It works very well for plastic and a few things. So basically, all you have to do is, if it's stuck, I think we can use the little bit. Oh no. Okay, hopefully I can make it work. All right, I was able to recycle it, so hopefully this will be enough. I mean, I have more, but I don't want to put too much here. All right, hopefully this will do the trick. We could leave it like that for a while and put this later. Otherwise, if we put this now, we're not going to be able to take it out. But okay, let's give it a try. It should stay in place anyway. And if it dies again, we may have to buy a new one. Okay. I think that should be enough to keep it in place. Maybe we could put something in this area. A little bit more. All right, hopefully that will do the trick. Now we will have to wait a few hours and let's see how it goes. All right, finally, after the glue, everything turns out very good, very good. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to zoom out so that way you can see the whole thing. But yes, it works great. So as you can see, you can move it, turn it just fine, no problem at all. All right, so now all we have to do, just put this back the way it was. You have the screws here, remember? You have the screws in this area, so all we have to do is put it back the way it was. And it wasn't that difficult, so just a little bit of patience. There you go. Nice, nice. All right. So all that is remaining is to put the plastic back here in this area. You can do it at any time. We have the cable, as you can see here. And we have the screws. Also, we have to put this inside. Okay, so as you can see, here we have this piece that goes like that. You can put this first. I have this from the other mirror that I had. And then after that, you can put the other part, that is this, that goes here. Because this is the one that is going to hold the mirror in place. So once you put it in, there is one way to put it. And that's it. After that, you put the screws back. I was having some difficulties putting the plastic, but if you press it hard enough, you should be able to do it. So now put this by hand, it will be easier. There we go. So here, again, you need the D15. All right, it's done. So the only thing that is remaining, you have two screws that goes on the bottom. So if you can twist it like that and make it work. All right, so that is the other screw that goes here. And then you need something, at least in my case, to push it as much as possible so that way I can put the last screw, and basically that's it. Other than that, after you have finished with that, you can put the mirror bar back. There you go, and that's it. So it's a little bit hard to put it, but once it's in place, it should be good. And then after that, it's easy. I made another video already about this, but you have a screw here, and the other screw, the other side over there, you put it on the motorcycle, you hook this up, and that's it. So as usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, or anything else, please let me know in the section below. Otherwise, if you want to buy something like this, and if I can leave it in the video description, the mirror, if you don't want to deal with this, you can try that. Otherwise, if you want me to fix it for you, I can try to do that as well. Thank you for watching. See you next time.